This tutorial explains how to add website link to Pinterest. So now if you want to learn how to add your website link to your Pinterest account, follow the steps in this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So now once you head to your Pinterest account, you click on your Pinterest. You now navigate to your profile image below, close to notification. So now once you click on it, you also proceed and you click on your profile image up there. You now see view account. Now once you click on view account, the next option is to click on edit profile. So now once you click on edit profile, you scroll below, you now see a provision for website. You now paste the link to your website. So now once you've done that, you click on done. So now this is how to add your website link to your Pinterest account. If this tutorial is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to this YouTube channel.